In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Bitcoin on Oanda. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to oanda.com, and then you have to either create a live real account or a demo account. And after you do that, the credentials to sign in are going to be sent to your email. So after you do it, you want to click on those three lines, top right, and click on Trade Online. And it's going to basically open up their version where you basically have to sign in with the credentials on your email. Then you have to basically check this and click accept. And now you're inside their trading platform. To go ahead and trade Bitcoin, go to search symbol, top right, type in BTC. And here you have BTC USD, which is Bitcoin. Click on that. It's going to load up on your graph. I already have it by default, as you can see. And then you have to click on a new order up top. And then here you can go ahead and select the type of order you would like to create. Here you can go ahead and type in the volume, the stop loss and take profit if you want that, and the comment for yourself in case you want a comment next to this trade as well. And then you can go ahead and click on buy, and you've successfully bought Bitcoin, and you can go ahead and click on sell, and you've successfully sold some Bitcoin. So this is how to trade it on Oanda. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.